Hello and welcome. Today's topic is why are India and Nepal fighting over Kalapani? The dispute over Kalapani, which lies on the easternmost corner of Uttarakhand's Pithoragarh district between Nepal and India, was revived in November 2019 when India published a revised political map showing the newly created UTs of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Both India and Nepal lay claim to Kalapani. Kalapani is a region located in the easternmost corner of Uttarakhand's Pithoragarh district. It shares a border on the north with the Tibet Autonomous Region of China and Nepal in the east and south. The region resembles a slice of cake wedged in between Limpiadhura, Lipulekh, and Kalapani. The area is in India's control, but Nepal claims the region because of historical and cartographic reasons. The area is the largest territorial dispute between Nepal and India, consisting of at least 37,000 hectares of land in the high Himalayas. What is the cause of the dispute? The Kalapani region derives its name from the river Kali. Nepal's claim to the region is based on this river. It became the marker of the boundary of the Kingdom of Nepal following the Treaty of Sugauli signed between the Gorkha rulers of Kathmandu and the East India Company after the Gorkha Anglo War 1814 to 1816. The treaty was ratified in 1816. According to the treaty, Nepal lost the regions of Kumaon Garhwal in the west and Sikkim in the east. According to Article 5, the King of Nepal gave up his claims over the region west of the river Kali, which originates in the high Himalayas and flows into the Great Plains of the Indian subcontinent. According to the treaty, the British rulers recognized Nepal's right to the region that fell to the east of the river Kali. Here lies the historic origin of the dispute. According to Nepal's experts, the east of the Kali river should begin at the source of the river. The source, according to them, is in the mountains near Limpiadhura, which is higher in altitude than the rest of the river's flow. Nepal claims that a landmass high in the mountains that falls to the east of the entire stretch starting from Limpiadhura downwards is theirs. India, on the other hand, says the border begins at Kalapani, which India says is where the river begins. The dispute is mainly because of the varying interpretation of the origin of the river and its various tributaries that slice through the mountains. While Nepal's claim of the territory east of Kali is based on the Limpiadhura origin, India says the river actually takes the name Kali near Kalapani. The importance of the Himalayan passes with the Tibetan plateau was amply highlighted in the 1962 war. During that war, Chinese forces used the pass of Si La in Tawang and reached the Brahmaputra plains in the east. The military defeat in the east clearly demonstrated that weakly guarded passes were a major vulnerability of Indian military preparedness against China. In comparison to Si La, which was somewhat fortified, Lipulekh was vulnerable. Nepali analysts say that King Mahendra was concerned that India would take military steps to forcefully take the origin of Kalapani to secure the mountain pass. He reached an agreement with Delhi and handed over the region for security purposes to India. According to another interpretation subscribed to by Kanakmani Dikshit, India worried over an aggressive China in the 1950s got the King of Nepal to agree to a proposal to station 18 military outposts along Nepal's northern frontier. In 1969, under bilateral negotiation, all the posts were removed bearing Kalapani. What is the current position? Nepal has published a revised official map incorporating the territory from the Limpiadhura source of the Kali to Kalapani and Lipulek Pass in the northeast of the Triangular region as its territory. On May 22, the cabinet led by Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli registered a constitution amendment motion to grant constitutional status to the map. Indian observers say that this move makes any future solution on the Kalapani issue nearly impossible as a constitutional guarantee will make Kathmandu's position inflexible.